There's something special about mornings. It always seems like there are endless possibilities at the beginning of the day. My name is JJ Yosh. I'm an adventure filmmaker, social media influencer, and for the last 4 years, a proud cat dad. That's me, and that's my cat Simon. We usually wake up at sunrise, just like today, and other days, we might sleep in a little. But whenever I get up, he's right next to me, always by my side, curious if I'm gonna feed him. And for your cat to thrive, you need to be curious about them too. Cats need a nutritious diet. They need to get plenty of play, exercise, and affection, and they also need preventative care. And that's why I'm partnering with Royal Canin for their annual Take Your Cat to the Vet campaign to help increase awareness for the need of preventative care for cats. You can help improve your cat's life by becoming more curious about your feline friend's health. Cats need regular checkups to keep them healthy and happy. Because cats are stoic animals, it's sometimes hard to tell if they aren't feeling well. You should take your cat to the veterinarian yearly to help identify problems before they become serious. It's important to look for changes in your cat's appetite or water intake. Coughing or sneezing, acting lethargic, or not being themselves, vomiting, changes in their stool and urine. All of these can be signs of underlying health issues. But your cat's health goes further than bringing them to the vet once a year. It also requires providing your cat with a high-quality diet. I trust the food from Royal Canin to provide that for Simon. They make tailored nutrition for different cat breeds, indoor, outdoor, different ages from kitten to senior, food sensitivities, oral care, weight management, digestive health, and many more specialty diets that fit your cat's needs. So are you ready to take your cat owner skills to the next level? To get involved in the Royal Canin's #Cat2Vet movement, go to royalcanin.com/US/cathealth. On the website, you can schedule a complimentary chat with a veterinarian brought to you by Royal Canin and Ask.Vet. Watch a new cat-centric web series called Catology, or even enter the #Cat2Vet sweepstakes to win a prize pack to help you get ready for your cat's next visit. I love spending my days with Simon. He's the best adventure buddy I could have ever hoped for. And I know with a proper diet, preventative care, exercise, and some love, Simon and I will be sharing views like this for a long time to come.